Joseph! Joseph, slow down at once! Why are you rushing so?
Begging your pardon, Candace. We're passing Casper Dracula. And look!
Oh, nonsense! That old vampire has been gone for years. I rule Transylvania now, and I intend to keep it peaceful. What's that? Oh, that poor man is having trouble with his automobile. See if you can help him.
Yes, Mum. Beg pardon, sir. May I be of assistance?
Yes, I think you can.
I'm not scared. Are you? Nope, I'm not scared. The Witch of Salem's just a fake. Then what are we waiting for? Waiting for you. I'm here. Okay, you go ahead. I'll follow. Hermie Winslow, you've been a coward all your life. You'll never change. What was that? Did you hear it? Did I hear what? There wasn't anything except the wind in the trees. It's the witch! The Witch of Salem! Let's get out of here! Wait, maybe it's something else. Then again, maybe not.
Sun, sand, and best of all, hula frows. Better dock for the night. Looks like the only place for Miles.
Special pizza delivery for Dr. Wallenstein.
Won't you stay and have a morsel with me, Inga?
Thanks, but no thanks, Doc. I go for the short, red-haired type. About this tall, don't you know?
Well, what do you know? A perfect fit.
Oh, my.
Where are we?
In a cave, stupid. Why don't you get smart? And you can start by giving up them CC cigars. Come on, let's get out of here.
Which way do we go?
Follow me, Mimi. This is the only tunnel we haven't tried.
What if tunnel not lead to outside? Whoa!
Hey, you meathead, where are you?
Scuzz, find something, Thunderstick.
So you found a big rock. Big deal. Come on, let's get going.
This special rock, like big mirror, Scuzz take and hang up in room.
The head of a vampire bat.
Yes, the Dracula's family crest. Knock on the door, Eddie. Knock on the door, Tracy.
Okey-dokey.
This is Jessica Ray, reporting from Castle Dracula, where we're going to interview... whoever.
The door opened by itself.
We're going to catch a vampire. We'll have to go inside. That is the last Count Dracula. Some say he was thousands of years old.
Doesn't look a day over 500.
brethren, there be witches among us. Look around. Do you see them? They're all around us. And when we catch 'em, we'll tar 'em, feather 'em, and run 'em out of town on a rail. Keep your eyes peeled and your ears open. If you see a witch, tell me. Yay!
What's going on here?
I never get the girl. They all think I'm just boring.
Quit your blubbering. Yep.
My brain in your body will make me irresistible. It's tickle. Yeah! It's working!
That means someone has been here recently.
Listen, hear that? Who's playing the organ?
Not me.
Not me. Well, somebody is, and I think we better find out who.
Welcome to Castle Dracula!
So far, so good. What was that? Will you stop the monkey business? No offense, Tracy. When we find a ghost, you'll know about it. Don't worry. Uh-oh. I think we just did.
Must have blown a fuse or something.
Or something.
Hey, Miss Minnie still has her lights on.
Let's go down there. Splinter, that old witch really is a witch.
Just goes to show you never really know who your neighbors are.
I bet she blew out our lights with some kind of spell.
Yeah, in fact, she could be casting a spell over us right now.
What does the Bones and Crones King book say about witches?
It says you gotta capture a witch to break her evil spells. Come on! As soon as she opens the door, we run.
That's my favorite part.
What are you little yard monsters up to? If I wanted a hammock in my tree, I'd get one myself. One last guess what's for dinner?
Runner, we're cooked!
Yeah!
Where you going? Get back here! Oh, stupid game. Took me 6 hours to put this thing together, and it's just too darn scary for them to play. Now who am I gonna get to help eat my vegetable stew?